Pakaipa, I have spoken to the people in the regime who opposed to Mnangagwa's bribing of members of parliament to help him defeat any attempt to impeach him. Sana pena mashoko atoona kuti aiwa koya panapa vanhu vanofambira nhau yema-legislators nema-MPs vakaonekwa kunzi aiwa vakareceiva aiwa land pamwechete nemari kuti vaende against impeachment nemutungamiri wenyika. Sana pena mashoko anouya achitaurwa panapa achiningisiwa ne-these people who are against aiwa the bribing iri kuitiwa ma-MPs kuti vauye vachioposa the impeachment kuti vasubscribe like what on the bell yakuti kina panapa mu-advocates for human rights vanodanyora chiti they said that Mnangagwa is clever. He knew that some would take the land and vote against him, so they have been promised 200,000 each on top of the land. They will receive a fraction of the money before voting and the balance afterwards to ensure they vote to support him. Secondly, they have been told that in a vote to extend his term of office, they will also benefit as there will be no election, meaning they will remain in office until 2030. These two provisions have been put in place to ensure that none of them votes against him. The third provision is that the land will be transferred into their names after voting on these two issues. So Blessed Bombshell Geza succeeded in putting the 23rd public campaign on hold, forcing Mnangagwa to turn to bribery. He also succeeded in proposing his impeachment route, which forced Mnangagwa not only to shut down parliament until May, but also exposed him by making embarrassing bribery move. This will also expose the MPs who are for hire. Thomas Konola panapa ezososi kubva kuna hupo ching'ono panapa zvinzi aiwa Blessed Bombshell Geza anokonzi chibaba asitopa aiwa aita kuti parliament imboshatiwa down 23rd agenda imbomiratogwa nezvayo panapa kuti mutungamiri wenyika asare ne-only option yekuenda kubribery abribe maMinisters. Muridze mafungiro enyu aiwa kunokona kunzi Bombshell Geza panguva inoi anokonzi is very powerful. Nakomese section yedu dzemafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.